What word has 5 letters and starts with gas?
I don't know.
Truck!
Har, har. Read the next devotion, please. Ooh, big fishy. Come back, it's dinner time.
I think you better leave that fishy alone. I mean, just look at him. He's so happy looking. And I don't think you're going to win this battle. Devotional 60. Dagon had been smitten. The Philistines had gotten hemorrhoids, and many of them had been slain. They wanted to keep the ark. It was their greatest battle trophy. But what they wanted even more was for the pain to go away. 1 Samuel 6:1. And the ark of the Lord was in the country of the Philistines for 7 months. And the Philistines called for the priests and the diviners, saying, What shall we do to the ark of the Lord? Tell us wherewith we shall send it to his place. And they said, If ye send away the ark of the God of Israel, send it not empty, but in any wise return him a trespass offering. Then ye shall be healed, and it shall be known to you why his hand is not removed from you. The Philistines made known the fact that after 7 months with the ark in their land, things were not getting better. The judging hand of the God of the Hebrews had not been removed from them. 7 months! 7 months of hemorrhoids and death, and their idols being smitten! To quote younger folks' vernacular today, stubborn much? Do learn a lesson from these hard-headed Philistines. God can swing the paddle for a very long time without getting the least bit of tired or even breaking a sweat. It is an excellent idea to obey him and do right rather than try to wait for him to get tired of swinging that paddle.
Oh, you better straighten up, or you will get paddled.
That is what I forgot to bring. No wonder we are moving so slow. Have a blessed day, friend.